So, hello and welcome back to my channel. I'm Sarah Up and welcome back to Sarah Up TV. Today I finally found some time to refresh my outgrowing buzzcut, and as you can see, it has changed a lot since I was here in the bathroom ready for refreshing my hairstyle. It has grown a lot and I've already have some dark roots. I firstly going to reshave the sides today to keep them short, and I'm going to re-bleach my roots, so I'm going to look a little bit more fresh. Yeah, that's all. I hope you're going to enjoy, and make sure to subscribe my channel and leave me a like. And yep, let's just begin. So first I'm going to start reshaving the sides by 5mm. No, I think I'm going for 7mm. Oh, I forgot to cover up my body. Now the sides are more flat, and that means I'm going to bleach them right now, and after that I'm going to style them, and I hope it's going to look cool and I can start styling them with a little bit hair glue or something already. It's because, as you can see, this is one of the very annoying outgrowing stages I am right now. Looks already way more fresh than before. Much better. Looks more like a hairstyle. Now it's time for hair bleaching. This is the rest of the hair bleaching that I have. I've ordered developer already and it's arriving tomorrow, and I hope this is going to be enough. If not, I'm going to end this hair session tomorrow. My hair got so long already. So I hope this is enough, because I'm actually not sure if I hit every spot. So now I'm going to leave that in for 1 hour, because my hair needs it for 1 hour. Even if it's 9% developer, I need to wait for 1 hour till it's completely blonde and not yellow and something like that. So see you in an hour. It became kind of yellow. And the back is kind of patchy. This means I have to re-dye tomorrow again, because I feel like a little bit like Slim Shady. Oh! I have to re-dye tomorrow again. It's just too yellow. But the sides are looking good. You see this? This is a completely black patch here. It's also not that healthy for the scalp if you're going to bleach your hair twice a day. This is no good idea, because I have experience with it, and I know your hair can easily burn if you dye your hair twice with 9% developer. So that's why I'm going to do it tomorrow, and we will see if I'm able to cover up all the yellow spots spaces because this is just not aesthetic in my mind. Let's do it again tomorrow. Yep. See you tomorrow again. So, finally, my package arrived. Okay, where can I open it? There it is. I'm actually using tons of this, but anyways, I hope my hair is not going to get burned today because my last hair bleach is just 2 days ago and my hair is already very dry. I mean, you can't see it, but it's very dry, and I hope it's not going to get burned today. I hope it's not going to get melt because I want to grow out my buzz cut, and this would be very shitty if this is going to happen. Anyways, let's start with it. So, now it's 2 days later and my developer finally arrived. And I'm going to bleach my hair again because I have some patches in the back and my roots are kind of yellow, and this is not what I wanted to, and this is the reason why I'm going to bleach my hair again today. By the way, I put on this to keep my hair a little moist because they are very dry already, and I actually kind of scared that they are going to get burned today, but we will see. And I need definitely brighter hair because this is just way too slim shady style. So let me get dressed, and this is how the mixture looked like. Last time it was a little bit too dry because I didn't have enough developer, and this is also the reason I think why it wasn't able to spread around my head completely. So I'm going to try to parting my hair a little bit as much as possible to reach my roots and not put too much on the ends. Actually, that's kind of complicated with that kind of short hair. My hair is so dry. Oh my god. So I'm trying to part my hair while I'm putting the bleach on, like this, you see? Oh my god, my hair has become so long. Here, I think I have a real dark patch. Yes. Here's one part where the bleach didn't reach right. And now I can't reach it with this technique by parting each of my hair in little sections again. I'm trying to reach every spot as accurate as possible. And the sides, I already shaved them last time, on 2 days ago, on 5mm, and there I can just put on everything because this part here is way too short to put it in sections, so that's why I just painted on. Actually, my hair is quite long enough to parting them on the top a little bit. I'm needing so much time to do it accurately. I hope, look on this side, it already lifted. Okay, I have to hurry. And I'm going to leave it in right now for 1 hour as always. No, not for 1 hour this time. I think I will do it for 45 minutes because I have bleached them 2 days ago already, and I think after 1 hour everything will be burned. I'm going to go for 30 minutes first, and then I'm going to check if I'm going to check after 30 minutes, and I will see if I have to leave it in for longer or if I can already wash it out. Okay, now 30 minutes are over, and I'm going to check if my hair is still there. And yeah, okay, everything is alright. I think I'm going to wait for another 15 minutes just to keep sure and make safe that my roots are not orange, and I hope I'm going to end up with very, very bright, almost white hair. Yep, see you there in 15 minutes. So now another 15 minutes is over, and everything seems alright. So I'm going to wash it out right now, and let's see how it's going to look like. Oh yes. This looks very blonde, super blonde. Well, I'm so blonde right now. Okay, now I'm going to style them a little bit because I want to show you how my hair is like styled, and then I'm actually ready. But first let me style my hair, and for that I'm going to use this hair glue because anything else won't stay in place. I mean, the main problem in my opinion is the top hair that is just way too upwards, and now I'm just doing a little side part as much as I can, and now it looks like a very chic business hairstyle. That's it for the video this week. I just needed to give my hair a little break of hair bleaching and stuff like that, and that's why it took a little bit longer for this week's video. But now I have my super blonde hair back, and now I can think about some other hair dyeing ideas. And anyways, thank you so much for watching my video. I hope I was able to give you some very good tips how to bleach your outgrowing buzzcut, especially if you don't want to destroy it and get it real bright and reach the roots the right way. And yeah, this is the finished product. Thank you for watching, and see you next time. Bye!